In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to add a picture after posting on Instagram. Let's jump right in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and your like is very important for us. First, open your Instagram profile. On your profile, tap the plus icon and select a photo. For example, I'll pick this picture, hit next, and then share. Now, if I go back to my profile, you'll see it's posted as a single photo. But what if you want to add more photos to this post? Here's what you need to do. Tap the three dots at the top right of the post. A menu will appear with several options. Select Edit to update the title or location, but to actually add pictures, you need to archive the post first. To do this, tap Delete, and you'll see two options: Delete Post or Archive. Choose Archive. This moves your post into the Archive section. Next, tap the plus icon again and select multiple photos this time. I'll choose two pictures as an example. Click Next and then Share. And that's it. You've successfully added a picture to your Instagram post without deleting it. This is the easiest way to update your post and keep everything intact.